Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So, this is your subject teacher of mathematics, and today I am here again with a revision of Unit 12, that is time. So, students, first of all, do you know what is this? Right, this is a clock, and it is used to know the time. The students, look here, this is the face of a clock, and numbers 1 to 12 appears on this face. Students, it has two hands just like us, but its one hand is short and the other is long. Shorthand is known as hour hand. It moves slowly. As you know that a day has 24 hours. So the hour hands complete one round in 12 hours and two round in 24 hours. And a long hand is also known as a minute hand. The minute hand moves faster. It completes one round in 1 hour. Come now, I will teach you how to read the time. Now students, look here. Draw hands on the clocks to show the time. So students, here this is a picture of clock. Here you have to draw hands on the clock to show the time. So in first clock, let's know what you have to do. Sina goes to school at 8 in the morning. This means here at first clock, draw hands to show the time 8 o'clock. Students, as you know that in your previous class, you also learn how to read the time. So firstly, the hour hand, that is shorthand, is at 8. Okay, and minute hand will be at 12. So students, this show the time 8 o'clock. Now students, Sina plays at 5 in the evening. Students, here you have to show the time 5 o'clock. So to show it, here our hand will be at 5 and minute hand will be at 12. Next is Sina goes to bed at 9 at night. So students, here you will show the time 9 o'clock by putting or draw the hour hand at 9 and the minute hand at 12. So students, this show the time 9 o'clock. So students, we do different activities during different times of the day. Now reading time. Ruby does all her work on time. So students, here Ruby is a punctual girl. So she does all her work on time. Ruby gets up at 7:30 in the morning. And at that time, the hour hand is between 7 and 8. And minute hand is at 6. We say it is 7:30 or half past 7. Now let's take an other example. Ruby has a bath at 8. The hour hand is at 8 and the minute hand is at 12. We say it is 8 o'clock. Ruby eats her breakfast at 8:30. So students, can you tell the hour hand is between? Right, 8 and 9. And the minute hand is at 6. We say it is 8:30 or half past 8. Now students, in next clock, Ruby eats her lunch at 1 o'clock. The hour hand is at 1 and the minute hand is at 12. So we say it is 1 o'clock. Now in next, Ruby goes out to play at 5 in the evening. So students, can you tell at that time the hour hand is at? Right, 5. You will write here 5. And the minute hand is at? Correct, 12. So you can write here 12. We say it is 5 o'clock. Now next is Ruby studies at 7. The hour hand is at 7 and the minute hand is at 12. It means we say it is 7 o'clock. Next is Ruby has her dinner at 8 in the evening. So students, can you tell where is our hand at this time? Right, the hour hand is at 8. You will write here 8 and the minute hand is at 12. We say it is 8 o'clock. Now students, Ruby goes to bed at 9:30 at night. At this time, the hour hand is between 9 and 10 and the minute hand is at 6. We say it is 9:30 or half past 9. So students, half past 9 can be written as 9 colon 30. The hour hand of a clock takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next, and the minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next. In 1 hour, the minute hand completes one round on the clock face. So students, now we are going to do the exercise 12.1. Match the time with the clock. So students, here in first clock, what's the time? So students, here hour hand is between 10 and 11 and minute hand is at 30. Sorry, 6. So students, this means the time is half past 10. It can be written as 10 colon 30. So students, here you will match this clock with 10 colon 30. Now look at the next one. In second clock, hour hand is between 1 and 2 and minute hand is at 6. It means time will be half past 1. It can be written as 1 colon 30. So students, you can match second with 1 colon 30. Next will be here Hour hand is between 6 and 7 and minute hand is at 6. It means this shows the time half past 7. It means 7 colon 30. So, sorry, not 7. It's half past 6. That means 6 colon 30. So, you will match it with 6 colon 30. In next, look at the fourth clock. It shows the time 5:30 of half past 5, because here hour hand is between 5 and 6 and minute hand is at 6. It means time will be 5 colon 30. It means half past 30. You will match like this. Now look at the fifth clock. Here hour hand is between 12 and 1 and minute hand is at 6. It means that this clock shows the time half past 12. It can be written as 12 colon 30. So you will match it. Now students, look at the last clock. Here hour hand and minute hand is at 12. It means this clock shows the time 12 o'clock. So you match it with 12 colon 00. So students, exercise 12.1 is completed. Now I hope you understood about time very well by the help of this video, and I hope you will be able to read and tell the time. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you students. Bye and take care.